Here, buddy. Oh boy, I got a special video for you this time. You know, I'm really blessed to be able to fly on this paramotor and see some of the things that I get to see. Just sometimes it's surreal events. Well, this video is about that. I really hope you enjoy. It's not every day that, you know, a bird just comes up and starts flying with you, or they're in formation or whatnot. But when it happens, it's like, oh, that is so cool. Well, that's what this video is. I really hope you like it. So, let's get to it.
I woke up having a good day. Sun was shining, I got good news in my mailbox. Sometimes I get kinda restless, think of all the places where I've never been. Took a stroll down the street, the clouds spoke to me, and this is what they said. You're a free bird, your life is your life, and if you wanna fly away, then go ahead and fly. You're a free bird, your mind is your mind, and if you wanna fly away, then go and don't be shy, 'cause you're a free bird. So I packed up all my things and called up all my best friends, told them come with me, yeah. We'll make stories and adventures as we stick together. What more could we need?